So today pala pupunta kami sa Center Island mga para, birthday na Inday ngayon, June 1. So pupunta kami, naggala lang kami doon mga pare, ikot kami. Hindi pa rin naman kami nakapunta doon sa Center Island na yun. Ayun, shoutout kay Pat David doon sa ITV. Dos Davao del Sur nandito. Oh, Canada. Tayo sa loob muna. Then emergency ano pala yan? Eglinton Station in Day. Here. See? Here? Oh, tap. Oh.
It just stopped. Oh, it's right. Trains plus.
Yeah, this. So yan, sasakay kami dito and then bababa kami sa Union Station. Tapos maglalakad ulit. Lalakad ulit. Pupunta sa ano, Jack Layton
For the
Terminal.
safety of yourself and those around you, stand well back from the yellow platform line. Hold your backpack in your hands and remain highly alert. Standing on the yellow line or using it to pass others can put you in immediate danger. High-speed trains can pass without warning, and the danger is real.
Pour votre sécurité et celle des personnes qui vous entourent, éloignez-vous bien de la ligne jaune du quai. Tenez votre sac à dos dans vos mains et restez très vigilant. Se tenir sur la ligne jaune ou l'utiliser pour dépasser les autres peut vous mettre en danger immédiat. Les trains à grande vitesse peuvent passer sans avertissement et le danger est réel.
mga parang kabila. Haba yun tayo. Right.
So long.
Told you.
When's our train gonna come?
8 minutes.
Huh?
8 minutes. Woohoo! Alright.
So hindi na tayo pupunta doon.
Open. Pupunta pa tayo doon. Iikot muna tayo tapos balik tayo.
Kasama siya?
Hindi siya kasama. May pasok siya.
Ano?
So 7 to 9 lang siya pwede.
I wanna go to the second floor.
Alright. Wow. Woohoo!
Bakit mo na hindi ko
Ang sarap. Hold the cellphone, hindi, okay?
Ang tago na, nandito lang.
Hindi, gusto niya sa taas eh. Third floor. Wow.
Stay clear, doors are closing.
Wow. Ay. Ano, diyan ka? Para tayo na sa airplane. Right?
Gusto mo kay Tata yan, bibigyan mo yan kay Tata. Malalaglag yan.
Okay na. Kasi maglalakad tayo.
Scarborough 6.
In the, oh, so in the train.
So yan.
Danforth is next.
Day. Yan mga para ano na. Malapit na kami. Slow down na. So, siguro ano na. Yan yung station. Ang dami na ano. Road train. Bugano ko muna to. Here. Sorry. Lakad kami mga par, papunta doon sa street. Ito. Hindi ko na-park dito. Bay Street, dito kami. 100.
Le train de 16h53 de la ligne Paris à destination de Rouen est en cours d'embarquement depuis l'équipe de Tunis. Veuillez vous rendre au ligne sur 10.
Akin na yan, Inday. Mahulog yan.
Yeah, the picture. Yeah, my God. Yeah. All the signs.
So, yun. Oh. Picture na kayo dito, Inday, right? Oh.
I forgot how tall is walking price.
Saan? Hot kami. Yeah. Hot. Wow. Kind of building ah. Oh, what is this? So yun. Tama yung dinadaanan namin mga pa. Uy, ano to? Benz pa yata oh. To take a picture of this. This one. Mukhang may ano pa yata mga par. Ito, yun yung summer. Oh. Nice. Nice. Oh. Aming tao. Sorry. Ito yung ano mga par, no? Yan. Susunod lang tayo dito sa ano natin, mapa natin. What? Yeah, ang ganda ng ano.
Remember the Toronto Museum?
Yeah.
I saw a statue with a butt.
Oh yeah. Aming tao, no? Hindi kasi ng panahon eh. Hindi, gusto mo picture doon sa bull?
Picture ka. I don't wanna take a picture because I'm scared I will get into mine.
May dito. Bay Street. Diyan, yun. Papunta ng ano yan eh. Oh, ito. Anong tao naghihintay ah? Tama naman yung dinadaanan namin mga par. Lakeshore Boulevard. Yung mga ano hindi. Maple Leaf Sports Arena inday oh. What is this? Oh, yeah.
It looks so cute.
Yeah. Ang tabi-tabi. Yun na yata oh. Ayun na oh. Saan tawid na lang. Yan, sa mga hindi pa pala nakapunta sa Center Island oh. Panoorin nyo ito mga pa. Para may idea kayo. Paano pumunta? Magkano yung bayad? Queensway. Oh, mukhang marami rin ang pupuntahin dahil. You know, that's the Jack Layton Ferry.
The what?
The ferry terminal. Over there.
Ferry?
Yeah, ferry.
We're going there?
Yeah. You have to ride a boat, right?
Yes.
You're excited? This is your first time, right?
Yes.
Oh, ho, 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 ho. This is your first time riding a boat.
Not the first time.
What?
Second time because in the Niagara Falls we went to the
Ay, oh, yeah, yeah.
boat. Ano ba yan?
You know.
You're old now.
What old?
Because you're forgetting.
No.
You're forgetting some memories. Oh,
Yeah.
you forget it.
Yeah. Oh.
Ferry. Oh, I thought you said ferry, like the ferry, like the flying.
Yeah.
Ferry. That's what you said. Weston Plaza. Oh, okay.
Oh, let's go. This is exciting.
Right, we're going to the boat, then after that we go to the robot thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's the robot comes on the boat. Hey, go,
Where's
there's no
it?
car.
Oh, let's go. Oh, see? Jack Layton. Layton pala, Layton. Oh. Save time?
I'm so excited.
So what? Save time, buy ferry tickets online. Oh, you can buy it online.
Are you kidding me?
Mm-hmm.
Bro.
Oh, it's okay.
But we're just gonna get tickets right now.
Yeah, there oh.
In real life.
Wala namang line. Walang line, no?
No line.
Oh.
Yes. After that, we'll go to the robot thing.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm so excited. I don't know what the island gonna look like. It's my turn to vlog you. It's mini time. Give me that.
Oh, mamaya na.
No, please.
Ticket sales line starts here. Oh, so yeah.
Line.
Yeah. To buy a tickets. Hindi, yung iba hindi. Meron dalang ano, docketing.
Probably they're swimming. I don't know.
Maybe they want to go to,
Swimming.
they want to go swim.
Yeah. Maybe at the island there's gonna be a beach. I don't know.
Okay. Here, nice. Hi, can you have 3 tickets? Yeah, 2 adults and 1. Yeah,
Adults?
2.
2 adults and 1 child.
Yeah, 1 child. Yeah, we have to wait for our tickets.
Please.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Me too. This is back and forth, right? Thank you. Oh. Wait. Picture in the you want to ano?
Picture.
Picture of island ferry docks. Okay. Sa gitna, mami, gitna. Ferry. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's go. So, nakabili na kami ng ticket mga par. Ha? Washroom? Baka dyan sa loob, may washroom kami. So, inabot yung ticket mga par 23.65.
Yeah. Huh? Ask her what's your bathroom.
Oh yeah, dali na. Dito tayo, Center Island. So yun, ang adults mga par, 2 adults, round trip, may nakasulat pala, 20 to 64 years old, 19.14. So $19.14 mga par. So ang one child, round trip, 2 to 14 years old, $4.51 mga par. So yun. Kaya total 23.65. Wala nakalagay na tax pala mga par. Subtotal lang 23.65. Hindi ko alam kung kasama na tax, no? Pero mukhang hindi pa. Or walang tax. Kasi 19, 23, 65. Walang tax mga par. So ano lang. So dito may tatlong gate mga par. Mayroong Wards Island, Center Island only, Hanlan's Point. Tatlo. So dito kami sa Center Island. Kapit lang tayo konti. Ay, yung mga boat nila. Ayan. Wards Island, hindi ko alam kung saan yan mga papapuntan. Ito yung Center Island, wala pa. Para Hanlan's Port, meron na. Pero hindi pa nagpapapasok. So, sa tingin ko naman mga par, lahat ito papuntang mga tao rito. Puntang Center Island. Hinihintay nila magbukas tong gate 2 na to. Malapit na kami. Makakasakay naman ito lahat. Ang ano lang mga par na makahanap tayo ng pwesto. Right?
I think they're paying like as in marketing. It's basically like a giant.
Kami na mga par, next.
A lot of the clothes are not. I think they're high fashion. They're see the prices of the things that they're $400 sunglasses. These are designed
Wow. Where do you want to sit? Upstairs? Yeah.
I don't know if we can go. I don't know if.
Upstairs, yun na mas maganda.
No, I don't know if we can go upstairs because I tried to.
Yes, we can.
Cause you had this hat going.
No, I mean, because I've been working with it.
Yeah.
Even if it's like 5 grand, you still like big up because when you don't sell everything. But the fact that you were and all the media, I feel like you did a cool show.
Yeah.
You did a cool show.
You have to go upstairs. Upstairs na. Taas kami mo pa. Maganda. Mas maganda sa taas. At the one, it's front. You, front. Yeah, you can sit down. Nice. Ah, palas na mga par. Bilis lang to. Oh, alis na. Tanggalin ng lubid. Yeah. That's where we're going, Itay. Wala masyadong ano. Nice. Bye, Toronto. Island. Yeah. Diyan tayo naglakad din tayo. Diyan tayo naglakad eh. Remember? The ship is over there, oh.
You know what I'm scared of? I'm scared not of the water. I'm scared what's under the water.
Oh, they do have ferry, water taxi in tayo.
You know that water taxi is like there's a street there and you can ride behind cars.
Yeah. Wow. What? Moana?
Oh, CN Tower.
Yeah.
CN Tower. Hi, CN Tower. I want to visit you the fourth time, but I cannot. I wonder how cold the water is. Probably this is gonna be a short ride. Probably just like 2 hours.
No.
How many?
15 minutes ride.
Oh my. So short.
I know.
I smell water.
Kitang-kita rito yung CN Tower, oh.
Hi, hi. I do not. I smell water. There's no water around here. There's no water. Barbecue and beer. Are you kidding me? No, you're not getting beer. Only one. One. Only Eagle. Hello, Eagle.
What
I
Eagle?
want barbecue.
I see. Toronto Island barbecue and beer.
I want barbecue right now.
Huh?
Barbecue me some sausage
Wow.
and meat. I am hungry.
nandito na kami mga
I
paro.
am hungry. Me some
Hello.
Hello.
How's the island?
There's 2 people. Oh my gosh. Water taxi. Okay. Oh, I see a park. Oh my gosh, Sky, the water taxi. A water taxi.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh, Tay, there's water taxis.
Mhm.
Oh, water taxi. We're stopping. That was short. I wanted more. What is that noise? Tay, look, Tay.
Wow. Yeah.
Are we stopping? We're stopping. Let's go.
Oh. Water taxi mga paro. Pwede siguro sumakay dyan.
Yeah.
Pero mas mahal siguro ang bayad.
Oh, I want more.
Mamaya pagbalik natin.
Oh, it's a sticky taxi.
Tiki taxi.
Oh, that looks like a Filipino boat.
Hindi, pag ano hindi, frozen to eh. Frozen lake to pagka winter.
You can skate on it.
Or you can walk
I don't walk.
from here to there. Ano na mga par?
Fallen the iPhone cracked
Kapit na.
and then
Yan. Yan mga par. Bahala kami. Hmm?
why are we?
Kasi bababa yan. Wow. Oh, sasakay na rin sila oh. Ang dami oh.
There's water. So cool. Oh, there's a subway.
Ang subway. Oh, yeah.
I want a subway. I wanna.
Wala, di pa nga tayo nakapasyal eh.
I'm hungry.
So what?
I'm hungry. Oh my gosh, was that?
Ano tayo? Tingnan natin yung mapa.
Coyote spotted
Wait, where?
over there. The sign.
Oh,
Oh my.
so yan, ito yung ano mga par. Oh, dito tayo. Ah, tatlo pala ito, tatlo. Adlands Point,
Airport.
Center Island, Windwards Island.
I think we should also meet. Walk around for now and then we can just bike at the end as well.
Whatever it's in. Like,
Diretso tayo, mami. Ah,
do it if that's Toyota or Pacific. Bigger.
doon sa ano? Ah, mayroon din palang ano, bike. Pwede mag-bike.
They might be coyote style. So
That's
I
okay.
know what to do, okay?
Hmm. So, oh, this one, Hanlands Point, 3 kilometer. Franklin Garden, boat and bike rentals, Wards Island Dock, 3 kilometer. Okay. Let's go. Wala na yun, mami, dahil ano yan eh. Ang capacity nung ano 500. Oo, sakayan, isang sakayan lang yan.
Guys, want to drink now? Oh, yeah.
Ayan. Pagpasok ng mga par, ito yung makikita mo. Laking park. Dito Bombay. 538.
अच्छा सारे लोग ग्रास को अवॉइड करें हाँ जाओ स्विंग पे नहीं बहुत दूर है स्विंग यहाँ ये वाले पेड़ को हाथ लगा जाओ लिखा हुआ है वॉक ऑन द ग्रास प्लीज वॉक ऑन द ग्रास
May take a bite. Thank you. Hmm? Mhm. Toronto Island Park.
You can go.
Ito hindi naman masyadong malaki yung ano na ito mga parno. Park island na to. Yun.
Success! I got the ball. I got
How? We can. It works? Yeah. Yeah. And the bicycle have QR code can let you scan.
Oh, meron pang lake doon banda. Yan. Kaya pwedeng magdala ng bisikleta mga par. Pero meron ding ano doon na pwede mag-rent ng bisikleta. Oh, may washroom dito.
There's a whole like landmark. I see. You want to stay here?
Ang ganda nito. Oh. Gilid oh. Open daily. First week of June. Open daw. What? Wow. Oo, mga ano pala to, Inday? Pwede magano? Eh, wala naman tao. Tickets, options. Toronto Island, tickets and information. Pwede pumasok ba dyan? Hindi siguro. Ado eh. Wow, ice cream. Beaver Tails. Wala pa nagtitinda mga par. Uy, dito pala si ano. Ito, Inday? Kaya mo ba yan? Mataas?
I saw it. Sakay pala tayo. It looks high,
Mhm.
and I'm scared.
No.
It doesn't even have safety thing.
Ayan o, igaganon yun o.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna try.
Oh, what is this?
Oh no, it's a boat.
Ayan.
Oh, Dad, you're wearing red. A bull just like.
Huh?
Oh my gosh. Roller coaster. I wish these rides were open. These look so fun.
Yung Labor Day daw.
What is Labor Day? Oh, Thai. That
Ano?
is not Thai. Groundhoppers.
Yeah.
I think I could go on that. It's not that high.
Mhm.
Mine roller coaster.
Oh, welcome to Far Enough Farm.
Far enough. That's far enough.
This
Made
is
my own
Far
joke.
Enough Farm. Okay. Yung picture yun, Day. Far Enough Farm.
What?
Pictures of Far Enough Farm.
What? When is Labor Day?
Me, picture. Yun, Far Enough Farm.
This is far enough.
One, two, three. Oh, this is the Far Enough Farm.
I think they know animals.
Ayun, a bird. Oh, yun po.
Oh, chicken. Let's go. I mean, no. I'm gonna eat my chicken.
Can we explore a little bit? We can explore a little bit in there. Far Enough Farm. Oh, my goat, Inday. This is you. Goat. Ah. No. He's hiding.
I wanna see the whole.
Oh, here, Inday. Here first. Dito muna tayo. What is this, Inday?
Please do not eat us.
Yeah.
It's a llama.
Huh?
Be careful, Ty. I may spit on you.
Speak?
Spit? Like
Oh,
that.
yeah.
Or bite you, I don't know.
Oh, you're cute.
They're so cute. Look at them. They're so cute.
Ano yan, Inday? Yama?
Llama.
Lama?
Ayan. Oh, they can. Oh, the llama just threw it down.
Oh, picture here sa lama. Here, oh.
Oh, it's an alpaca. I thought it was a llama. Ty,
Hmm.
it was an alpaca. I thought it was a llama.
Oh, ano to? Animals?
Alpaca.
Alpaca?
Yeah. Oh my god, so cute. I want a pet alpaca.
No. You.
Because in the Michael Jackson movie there.
This is alpaca, Inday. Oh, they love grass. They loves grass, Inday.
They love eating grass.
Yeah.
You're gonna throw some grass at them.
No. It says don't feed us because we have food. Yeah.
It's eating the.
Also,
It's coming
and
to
cow.
us. Cow.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, alpaca.
Oh my gosh, it's coming to you, Tay. Tay, be careful. It might bite.
No.
Oh my gosh. Hello.
Huh?
Yum, yum, yum. Oh, that brown one. Look,
Horses may bite.
I don't
Ayan
see
po.
any horses.
Ayun oh.
Oh my, it's so big. Hello.
Diba?
I remember that dream that you told me when you're a I remember that dream when you
Yeah.
told me where you have nightmares as a kid.
Yeah.
In the forest, your the horses was chasing you, trying to kick you. Remember?
Yep.
Yeah.
Trying to bite my butt.
Yeah. Or like kick you in the
Yeah.
butt. Like, well, face your fears, Ty.
What?
Of course.
I love horse.
You love horse. Then why did you get those nightmares?
Oh. Oh, mayroon pa isa dito, Inday. Maliit to.
Smells like a zoo.
Zoo.
And after that,
Oh, yun oh. Donkey. What's that?
horse.
Huh?
Smells so bad in here.
Okay, let's go.
Caution, horses may bite.
Caution, yeah.
Yeah, they might kick you in the face.
Mm-hmm.
I want the sheep.
Oh.
The sheep.
What is this?
Oh, I thought that was a sheep.
Oh,
Oh, it's a birdie.
bird. Oh, oh, this is a barn. You want to take a picture? Here, Inday, barn?
Barn.
Yeah, barn.
Barn is closed. Boots and
May,
barn
dito
are-
may picture, oh. Barn.
It says Barnaby.
Oh, picture dali.
Barnaby.
Here, oh, barn. Huwag mong pakainin ng popcorn, carrots, apple, tsaka grass. What? Pop what?
It's not a sheep. It's sheep.
Yeah.
A peacock.
Oh, peacock. Wow. Peacock. Peacock.
I wonder what it is. Their feathers.
But it was all like up the fence and it wasn't focused.
Well, let's go.
Yes, final one day. Final.
I think if they feel threatened and die, they will like spread their feather. Yeah. Oh, meron pala dito, Inday, white one. Ganda. Meron ding white, oh. See? May white ano rin pala sila. Okay. Let's go there. Pwede rin palang magbangka-bangka dito.
It's a boat! Oh my gosh, I wanna go there!
Oh.
Boat! I wanna row a boat gently down the street.
Yeah.
I wanna row a boat. Never rowed a boat before. Did you row a boat, Ty?
Yeah.
Was when you were a kid?
Mhm.
Damn, why is there so much water?
So, Hindi, ano ba yung lumilipad, Inday? Mosquito?
Fireflies.
Mosquito, I think.
I said fireflies.
Oh, oh, oh. Wow. Wow, wow, we wow.
Ano wow, we wow. Wow, ang ganda.
I know.
Tatay.
Mas maganda, your nanay?
No. The lake and mine.
Yeah. Wow. Wow.
Spider rat. Wow.
So, yun. Pupunta kami doon sa pinakadulo, mga par.
Fountain.
Meron doon ano.
I wanna touch the water. I don't think you can touch the water.
So, Wards Island, papunta doon. Hanlands, papunta doon. Floating offshore, Gibraltar Point, Central Parks, Franklin. Bike rental here. Maliit nga lang talaga. Like 3 kilometers lang kung mula rito, mga pa. Yung dalawang ano na yun. Kayang-kayang ikutin.
I wanna touch the water.
Ha?
Oh, that I wanna wish. Wish. Is this a wish light?
No.
No.
Oh, picture.
Flashing water at me.
Picture in the here, center.
I feel wet now.
Oh, yeah.
Well,
Yeah. Dai. Picture. Dito kami. Picture. Dali. Dalawa kayo. Oh. Ang laki nitong ano naman pa. Oh, pwede rin talaga mag-ano. Oh. So, yun mga par, pwede kayong pumunta rito ng mas maaga. Hindi magano kayo. Magdala kayo pagkain. Umupo-upo dyan, oh, sa kahit saan. Na. Let's go! Wow, gusto ko rito ah. Maganda rito mga para. Dai. Tingnan dito oh. Ganda oh. Yeah. There oh. Yeah.
Can I put my feet into the water?
No. Magano ka oh? Basa ka eh.
Put me down.
Oh. Jump. Ooh.
I don't wanna run. That one. Look now. I don't care.
Ah, may mahabang beach pa pala doon oh. Pwede rin doon oh.
I am risking my life for this. Ay ka na. I don't care. Kevin, bago yan sapatos mo.
Tapos touch mo agad Inday pagka ano.
The ate said you can wash these shoes in the washing machine.
Touch mo agad yo pag ganyan oh. Lapit. Oh. Oh, touch. Cold? Dito. Oh, birdie. Oh. Let's go, Inday. Pupunta tayo doon, oh. Hmm. Hmm.
No,
Okay.
it's okay. Titi Auntie said I could wash these shoes in the washing machine. Hindi, yung ano mo.
So yun. Ano na yan doon mga par, no? Punta na sa malalim. So yan.
Wash these shoes in the washing machine. Titi Auntie said.
Oh, may bell pa dito, Inday, oh. Bell.
I wanna go there.
Here. Mamaya na, dito muna tayo. Wow. Wow. Gusto ko mag-swim dyan, Inday. May mga fish dyan, oh.
I wanna go fishing.
Ito, oh.
Hi, but they look so big.
It's okay.
And I can swim.
So yun, ano ba to? Pinaka-sentro. O, Vancouver papunta doon. Halifax papunta doon. O, yeah.
There's a sea. Come. Do you have a coin?
No.
Dollar, see? Insert
Oh,
$2
yeah.
coin.
Picture.
I said $2 coin.
Picture dyan, picture. Here, Inday.
No, there's nothing. I don't see anything. For auntie.
Oh,
Please, $2. They have $2.
I don't have $2.
Bruh. Spike, yeah.
Rito.
I don't see anything, just black doors.
Yeah.
Jeez, man.
Okay.
There's $2.
Sige, Inday. We'll see here.
Check.
Here, oh.
वो सिगरेट камера да.
아, 이거 시원 럭션. 예전 곳에 가장 저렴한 게
Ganda rin itong ano, mga park, no? Pero wala nangingisda mga par. So, swimming bawal dito. Right. Ito yung pinaka-sentro.
What is that whale there to the left?
Wala na rin naman doon. Ano nakasulat dito? Century Island Pier, Toronto. Ay, ano pala yung nakasulat? Century Island Pier, Toronto. Nice. Oh, dikit mo Inday. Ayan, dito sa ano to? Malaking ano. Ayan, oh. Oh, ayan, dikit mo Inday.
I have no nails.
Paano kay nanay? Dikit natin yung sticker ng Pinoy Tambayan, tsaka ito. Sticker natin mga paro. Shout out
Yes,
to.
and you don't even sell it.
Ah. Okay. That's the Pinoy Tambayan. Wow. Din.
I wanted
Dito may ano Inday sa tabi, right? Pinoy Tambayan. Tayo mo konti. Yan.
wait, let me not.
Ayan, no? Yun.
That doesn't
Actually.
look like you because of your hat. You have a red hat, but this has that actually looks like you
it's okay.
with your backpack.
Oh.
Okay. Go.
Okay. Right, Inday. It's okay.
Okay, that's good. And then,
Let's
next
go.
time we go here, we see if the stickers are still
Oh,
there.
still there, okay?
I'm gonna stick it much. Okay, stop.
Let's go.
Okay, there we go.
All right.
I hope it doesn't fall off or something.
Yeah, it's okay. Yun. Kaya mga par, no?
Toronto. This pole doesn't have any stickers, but that one does. But next time when we go here with Tita Jane, let's see. There's the sticker there.
Mhm.
Yeah. I just see.
Okay. Woo! Dito ka sa beach mga par. Oh, let's go na. Jump. Ayun na, para umikot na tayo, Inday. Diba? Let's go.
One more time.
So yun, ito yung beach dito mga par. Mahaba yan, hanggang doon mga par.
There's sand in my shoes. Can we? There's a bunch there. I want to sit and take them off. And there's sand.
Ayun, ito yung beach nila rito. Punta pa yan doon, malayo pa mga par. No? Pero siguro hindi na kami pupunta pa doon sa pinakadulo. Ikot na kami, kasi babalik kami kasi kunting ano na lang kami and then babalik na kami. Kasi tamang-tama 6:30. So yun. At least napuntahan namin dito yung pinaka ano. Hi bird! So yun. So yun, kung gusto nyo pumunta pala dito mga par, no, sa Center Island, maganda, no? Lalong-lalo na ngayong panahon na to. And ayun, kung gusto nyo ikutin, no, punta kayo na mas maaga para yun, maikot nyo talaga. Siyempre, kailangan ano kayo, ready kayo sa lakad. Or kung gusto nyo mag ano ng bike, mayroon naman. Pwede mag-rent, no, para maikot ninyo. Bisikleta. So yan, maya, nag-ano na kami mga par, and then lakad na kami pabalik. Ay, may mga nakapaa pa nga. 7:30. So kikitain namin si Par David tsaka si Mrs. niya, no. So biyahe na kami pabalik. Wait. Wala na rin naman. So siguro yung ibang ano mga par, tsaka na namin iikutin. So dito muna. Tapos napuntahan namin yung pinaka ano, sentro. Right.